Hi, well today I'm down in my engine bay because my helm navigator, so this thing, indicator sorry, that indicates where the outdrive is, has snapped off. So I've just come down to build a little bridge to repair it, but before I do that I need to obviously disconnect the power, unscrew it, take it off, and then we'll have a look at fixing it. So here you go, I've put a brace around the broken arm. You can see the bit where it broke just in there. So I've used a bit of mini aluminium box section, put that in there. Just going to wire it back in and see if it works. There you go, so the bracket is wired back in, screwed back in. I've connected the connecting rod. I had to move the mounting bracket here forward a little bit just to give me a bit of extension on the connecting rod. She's all measured and balanced up, and I'll show you how it works on the steering.